Calibrating audio desync in Call of Duty can enhance your gaming experience by ensuring that sound effects match the on-screen action. Follow these steps to adjust your audio settings effectively. Step 1. Access game settings. Navigate to the main menu of Call of Duty and select the Settings option. Look for the Audio tab where you can find various audio settings to adjust. Step 2. Adjust audio delay. Within the audio settings, locate the audio delay option. This setting allows you to fine-tune the synchronization between the audio and video. Start with small adjustments and test the gameplay to find the right balance. Step 3. Test with audio cues. Enter a training mode or a private match to test your audio settings. Pay attention to specific audio cues such as gunfire or footsteps and see if they align with the visual actions on screen. Step 4. Use headphones. For better accuracy in detecting audio desync, use a good pair of headphones. This will help you hear the audio cues more clearly and make it easier to notice any discrepancies. Step 5. Save and exit. Once you are satisfied with the adjustments, save your settings and exit the menu. Play a few matches to ensure that the audio is now in sync with the gameplay. By following these steps, you should be able to calibrate the audio desync in Call of Duty effectively. Enjoy your improved gaming experience.